love football and shiny trophies? Today, we're going to draw a World Cup trophy step by step. It's going to look super cool and colorful.
Welcome to Toddlers Art Hub.
Let's draw the bottom part of the trophy. Follow me slowly. Draw a wide base like this. Draw the lines like me. Great job. Now, let's draw a big round globe on top. Make it nice and round. Draw wavy lines for lands. Perfect. Now let's write FIFA World Cup at the bottom. Take your time. You're doing amazing. Nice job, everyone. Our drawing is complete. Now let's make the outline bold and sharp to make our artwork pop. Wow, it's looking awesome, isn't it?
Yay!
Now it is time to color. Let's bring our trophy to life. Red color.
Wow!
Orange color. Yellow color. Bottle green color. Green color. White color. Amazing work, little artists. You drew a fantastic World Cup trophy. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe to Toddlers Art Hub. See you in the next fun drawing. Bye-bye.
Yay! Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next video.